it.
Oh my God! Wait a second.
This way. No.
Wait. We go together. Wait.
Here. Okay, I want to take it.
It's too fast. My goodness.
Okay. Wait. Listen. You can't see on the video.
Laro kami na to guys. Bola. Papasok doon. Tapos lalabas. Where is Alba? Where is Alba? Where is Alba? Where is Alba? Where is it? Where is it? Ah, Tiras! Well done. Keep going. Keep going. Oh my God, guys. Nakakatawa, pero nakakapagod. Nakakatakot yung slide. Tuloy siya ng slushies. Both color. Tapos ako ito. Okay. Eiffel Tower pala pangalan ito, guys. Ayan siya, cream. Sa gabi, guys. Ang tahimik. Gustong-gusto ko to. Right, hold, mamas. Crossing the road. In here. This way, Baba. Super quiet ng park. Normally, maano to. Mabisi. Puno lahat. Uwi na kami, guys. Tapos na. Super sunny today. Grabe. Ang ganda ng araw. Tingnan mo. Sa labas. Grabe, ang ganda ng araw. Tapos, ang tahimik. Ito yung gusto ko pag tahimik. So, Friday today, guys. So, ayun. So, ito yung cake ko. Yung merienda. Ang hirap talaga lumabas, no? Nang hindi ka gagastos. Parang feeling ko every labas is may gastos. Busy siya kumain ng, uminom ng slushies. Careful. Uwi na kami, guys. And then, baka mag-nap. A quick nap. And then, ayun, quick nap. And magtutupi. Ang dami kong tupiin. See you later.
I've seen a lot of change. Been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this
Dad. Sa bahay na, guys. Ay, pagod. Super pagod. Ang aga namin nagising kanina. Ang aga ko nagising. Siguro mga 7:30. Same as Alba, 7:30. Ang aga nagising. So, yun. Pagod. So, house na. Magnanap kami, I think. And sandaling nap lang. Mga 1 hour. And then, magdi-dinner. And yun, dinner. And tidy up ng house. Ang dami kong tupiin. So, I'll see you guys later.
Bob.
Say bye-bye, guys. Kauwi na kami, guys. Kanina pa. Galing kila Emil. Nag-dinner lang. Pero ayun, si Alba hindi pa ito kumain kasi di ba nag-snack siya sa car. Pauwi kami. So, yun. Naglalaro lang siya and ako ay magta-tidy up soon. Tidy up. Pahain ng dinner to and then akyat kami sa taas kasi ang dami kong tupiin talaga. So, yun. Naglalaro siya ng Play-Doh na binili namin kahapon. Kaya, ayun. I'm so tired. I need coffee, guys. I need coffee. Magtitimpla akong coffee habang kumakain si Alba para coffee ako. And then, gusto kong i-hoover to. Tignan mo naman, guys. Play-Doh. Maling desisyon ng bumili ng Play-Doh.
Not sure. Pakistan, Orland.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move.
So, washing is done. Not washing is done. Washing is running. And then ano pa ba? Nakapag-hoover na ako, guys. Wait a sec.
Show my pizza. Show my pizza. Show my.
Diba? Wala na ang Play-Doh sa lapag. Ito na lang. I need to sort this.